Simplified notes. Therapeutic Index and drug safety. Therapeutic Index, TI, shows how safe a drug is. Formula, TI equals TD50-ED50. TD50 equals dose that causes toxicity in 50%. ED50, dose that is effective in 50%. A high means the drug is safe. A low T means toxic dose is close to effective dose, so drug monitoring is needed. Examples of drugs with low T require monitoring: warfarin, digoxin, theophylline, lithium, antiepileptics. Therapeutic window, the range of drug concentrations that give benefit without harm. USMLE Question 1. A new drug shows a therapeutic index TI of 0.9 in animal studies. Which of the following best describes this drug? A. It is safe for use without monitoring. B. It has a wide therapeutic window. C. It has a narrow margin between safe and toxic doses. D. It is less potent than a drug with TI of 2.5. E. It is more efficacious than a drug with TI of 1.5. Correct answer, C. It has a narrow margin between safe and toxic doses. A TI less than 1 means the toxic dose is close to or lower than the effective dose. This drug would need close monitoring. A. False. TI 1 equals not safe without monitoring. B. False. Low TI equals narrow therapeutic window. D. False. TI does not measure potency. E. False. TI does not measure efficacy. USMLE Question 2. Which of the following drugs is most likely to require close plasma level monitoring due to a low therapeutic index? A. Acetaminophen. B. Ibuprofen. C. Digoxin. D. Metformin. E. Loratadine. Correct answer, digoxin. Explanation: digoxin has a narrow therapeutic index and requires monitoring to avoid toxicity, especially cardiac. A. False. Hepatotoxic in overdose, but wide TI at therapeutic dose. B. False. NSAIDs have relatively high TI. D. False. Metformin has a decent safety margin. E. False. Loratadine is an antihistamine with a wide TI. USMLE Question 3. Which statement is most accurate regarding the therapeutic index of a drug? TI measures how effective a drug is. B. A high TI means higher toxicity. C. A drug with a low TI requires therapeutic monitoring. D. TI equals ED50, TD50. E. Is unrelated to drug safety. Correct answer, C. A drug with a low TI requires therapeutic monitoring. Explanation: low TI means small difference between effective and toxic dose. Monitoring helps prevent adverse effects. A. False. TI does not measure efficacy. B. False. High TI equals safer drug. D. False. Formula is TD50, ED50. False. TI is directly related to safety. Let me know if you'd like a visual summary or mnemonic to go with it.